Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And today we have a luxury skincare haul. So let's get it started. Before I start though, I want to show you guys something. What do you guys think of this? I can't see behind me, but do you guys like this flower? It's a vibe, right? I love it. I just have it, I got it from Gap. And I just attached it to my ponytail because I just love that. I don't know what it looks like in the back, so let's hope it looks good. Okay. Luxury skincare haul. It's that time of year again. VIB just got over with. Like Blue Merc starts price matching. Blue Mercury, even like your Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus salespeople will actually match sales of other department stores. So like definitely if you work with like a Neiman Marcus skincare representative, and you don't want to buy online, try to see if they'll price match for you with other sales. That way they can get support too. That's just a thought of mine because that's what I try to do if I see sales going on. But anyway, let's get started. Honestly, four of these purchases were like kind of surprises to me. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with a cleanser that I got. And you guys know I like to invest in good cleansers because I honestly think cleansers play such an important role in our skincare routines and balancing your skin and everything like that. But I did invest this time in the Dr. Barbara Sturm Enzyme Cleanser. You guys, I've been holding off on this brand for a while. I've never tried anything by her like consistently. But I did purchase her enzyme cleanser because I do like a good enzyme cleanser. I'll veer away from them, but enzyme cleansers can be really, really beneficial. I've only used this like a couple of times. It's actually pretty, it's got some texture to it. It's not as smooth as like the Achor enzyme cleanser. There's definitely some physical exfoliation going on with this product. So I'm not comfortable speaking on if I like it yet because my skin is doing different things and I gotta figure out who the culprit is. But this is new. I hope it doesn't strip my skin too much and I hope it's able to balance my skin out just like Achor's did. But yeah, there is some physical exfoliation going on in here. And honestly, I just bought the Barbara Sturm one because I've never tried the brand before and it's completely fragrance free and there's rumors about it, whether it's good, whether it's not, whether it's a gimmick, I don't know. Quite frankly, I'm gonna try the product and then I'm gonna let you know if it's quality through Miss Morgantalks' eyes and skin. Next, my flower's falling. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with something I already know you guys are gonna be excited about, and I already know you guys are gonna be waiting on this review because I know you guys have already asked me about it, and it is the Mer The Resurfacing Treatment. Right here, you guys, just got it. Morning and evening, they want you using this stuff. Little goes a long way, I do have to say. So like 4 or 5 drops is gonna get you some pretty, that's what I love about La Mer. They're always so good with that. But yeah, so it just, morning and evening, use a cotton pad or fingers. I use fingers because like I'm not wasting any of this product, to apply a small amount onto cleansed skin. So that's what I've been doing. Again, noticing some irritation around my skin. So it's new products, I gotta watch. But so far I've been liking it. I don't have feedback. I just honestly, like I saw it and I was like, I'm just put it in the back, you know what I mean? Like I just bought it. Like this is something that I know you guys are gonna be waiting on and I know that of course I'm gonna wanna try regardless. La Mer is La Mer, girl. Okay, love is in La Mer. Morgan's skin is in La Mer, okay? I'm part Miracle Broth, by the way. I don't know if you know that. I'm still intrigued at the fact that La Mer is coming out with these chemical products, but we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep using it. I actually really like the micro peel, and I should probably do a video this versus the micro peel so we can actually see the differences. So I'm gonna save what I have left of the micro. We're gonna get adjusted to this, and then a nice little video is gonna come find you as well as a review on her. All right, the biggest surprise of the day, honestly, my biggest shocker was the fact that I splurged on the Augustinus Bader body cream. Okay, I was not expecting this, but I haven't bought a solid body cream in a minute. So I was like, I'm buying it, put it, let's go. Put it in the bag, let's go. Boop, 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 boop. I bought it. It's got their proprietary ingredients in there, and it's zero fragrance whatsoever. So I'm curious about that. Very thick. You know, I'm going to show you guys texture later. I'm going to save it for you. But this was my biggest surprise of the day. I would say this was my biggest splurge because I wasn't expecting on buying it. Like I knew definitely going to be walking out with this. But I definitely wasn't anticipating a body cream. So I'm actually happy that I bought it. I'm going to let you guys know the real tea in time. It's way too early to give you guys like anything on her. But yeah, let's see if she can keep it moisturized. Okay, well, I'll show you guys this what I've been up to. So I bought the Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. I bought a small little size of it because I was out, I'm out of my moisturizers. So while I'm waiting for other moisturizers to come in, I had a quick get something. And I've actually always wanted to try Charlotte's Magic Cream Tilbury. I just never bought it because it was just, I always was, you guys know how it was, or still is, you know, La Prairie, Sisley, La Mer, Chantecaille, all those, like why would I buy one of these? But I purchased this. It's pretty basic. I know I'm bad for saying that, but you know, I've only used a little bit. My Aunt Linda really likes the Magic Cream, so she likes it. I know it's gotta be good because she knows her stuff. I've actually already used a lot of it. So far, I mean, it's coming up pretty basic. It's definitely hydrating. I like it, but we're gonna keep trying it. And you know what? I'm relieved. This is her new cream because there's the Magic Cream, and then this is the Magic Water Cream. And water creams I love for daytime. So yeah, love that. And last but not least, you guys have already seen 2 videos on this already, and a lot of people have a lot of comments, and a lot of you actually use this product more than I thought. The ZIIP Halo I got. This was gifted to me. And actually the only item that was gifted to me. I buy all my stuff myself most of the time. This I've been using, I already have 2 videos on it, the ZIIP Halo, microcurrents, nanocurrents, and let me tell you something, this has been a journey and a half, and I am still getting adjusted because it's a lot, it's strong, but if you're interested in this, I already have 2 videos on it, so go check it out. But yeah, this just entered my routine, and I will be using this as consistently as I can to spill all the tea, and really, I want to give you guys like real feedback, you know? I want to give you guys like details that I wouldn't know unless I really worked the product. And you guys already know I'm going to finish these to completion like I always do. So I'm definitely going to be spilling tea. But that is it for my haul. But no, actually it's not it for my haul. This is last but not least for my haul. This is actually a brand called Queenmusia. And they had gifted me mostly all of their lipstick shades, I should say. I have one of them on now. I'm actually obsessed with this brand, Queenmusia. I remember seeing this on Instagram, and I was like, I really loved the colors that were on the models. I was like, damn, like those are the most beautiful lipstick shades. And I'm so happy that me and the company connected because I actually really love their products. I mean, this is their packaging. It's really cool, really unique. This is, who's this? Ada. This color is Ada. But they have, like, honestly, the creamiest, yet consistent, yet, like, these colors stay on. Like, it's honestly, I think they're made in Italy. They're cruelty-free. They sent me all these really, really buttery lipsticks that stay on and that don't, like, wipe off like really fast. You know how these creamy lipsticks, sometimes they like get off the lip really fast? This brand does not. Absolutely love it. And I'm wearing their mascara too. They sent me a mascara, which was super, super sweet. So I did want to name drop this company and let you guys know of them. If you guys want a nice lipstick, honestly, order from this brand. I'm going to try to link everything below for you guys because yeah, I'm just like really grateful. This was a hit in the makeup game for me. I love lipsticks. Ooh, I love it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed what I got. I know I'm like overwhelmed with what I got. And I will have videos to follow. So I love you. Subscribe if you haven't. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so already. Love you. Bye.